But ladies and gents, it's your boy Dirk Chill. Here's Homestead Zone 8A. Quick update. It's been a while. I've been busy. I'm studying for the real estate exam in Georgia, so I've been crazy busy. But we built our first raised bed. As you can see, we use plywood that we actually got. Cut it directly in half. That gave us 8 feet long. We decided to cut this by 3 feet. Okay. Now we didn't have any paint. We didn't have any paint for the inside, but plywood can actually leach into your soil. So what we did was we used some more of the garden floor. Filled it in there. These posts right here, we got from an old bunk bed that my son used to have. So use what you have. Comment in the like section if you guys would like to see us build our next one. As you can see, let me go up here and show you the difference. And we got a lot of stuff coming for you guys. I just been busy getting study for the real estate exam in Georgia, running our business. Look at that. So look, homestead pool, and you know we've got basically a 4x4 there, 8x3. I think we're gonna start our potatoes in there, onions and garlic for fall time. So comment if you guys want to see us build the next one. We still don't have any chicken eggs, but they're nice and big. We're walking around out there. I got new successions growing on my cucumbers. We had some melon issues, so I got a sad video on my epic fails for the spring garden. I guess you call it summer garden. We did get some melons, but they were small. But keep checking us out. Again, you want to see us build an entire raised bed? Me and my son built it in about an hour. So stay tuned. Subscribe, like, comment. I miss you guys. Here's Homestead Zone 8A. Grow that thing. Peace.